the animal? The fox. The elephant. The yak. The skunk. The newt. The fox. The skunk. The elephant. The yak. What's in here, huh? Let's try this one. What's this? It's a cow. What's the pig say? What's the chicken say? What's the sheep say? What's the duck say? Oh, you don't. What's the dog? He skipped to the dog. What's the elephant say? What's the elephant say?
It's in the sunlight too much.
What's the elephant say? Yeah. What does the lion say? What does the snake say? Yeah. What does the monkey say? What does the frog say? What does the doggy say? What's the doggy say?